try this. 3, 2, 1, back, replace, forward, spiral, check, replace, back, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, and 2, and 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, and 2, and 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, and 2, and 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, and 2, 3, 4. Okay, and walks back, side, forward, and listen here. Side, forward, and side, right, forward, swivel, left side, right, forward, swivel, side, forward, side, and fast. Forward, swivel, side, forward, swivel, side, forward, swivel, side, forward, side, forward, and side, forward, and side, and forward, and side, forward. Okay, so we start with our weight on the right foot. Let's actually start diagonal, just how we finish routine, so it's going to be diagonal as well. So we have left foot back, right foot back, so this is our back basic. Replace the left foot, swivel, right foot forward. This is going to be spiral turn for the whole bar. Then from there we're going to take left foot forward walk, point. When we're going to do point, we want to create impact through our body, so we're going to hit on the toe, and then you have this shock wave going through your ribs, through your sternum, through your neck. Then you take your hips back over your left foot, kind of roll in, and then as you go back, you become vertical again. So again, we did point, we went back and back, 2, 3, 2, 3, and 1. Now, what we got after that? Okay, one more time. So we have back basic, spiral, forward point, back, back. Now, from there we have back, replace, delay walk, or like swivel with a bit of elevation here. So you're gonna feel that you elevate on your standing hip. So instead of settle as usual, here we're actually gonna go up, kind of pulling your leg in, and then we're gonna settle into delay walk, and then we catch up with the cucaracha. So we did back, replace, elevation, swivel, landing with the delay walk, catch up, cucaracha, the basic one. Then we go into men's sliding door, forward, replace, and cross. From here we have something I would call twist turn, so we maintain pressure into left ball of the foot, but our weight remains on the right foot. Boom, 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 boom. So at the end of the turn, we're still on the right foot. Continue into cucaracha with the walk. From there, we went into ladies sliding doors with the turn. Boom. Now, from here we have extra bar to wind up our upper body to the left. Then from there we had 3-step outside, 3-step turn to the right. It was left foot forward. Start turning, right foot close to left foot. At this point we're facing here. Final turn through your right foot. And we finish with left foot side step. Then from there we have syncopated swivel. We go right foot forward into press line. 3-step turn to the left. Syncopated cucaracha. Close, side, replace, forward. Spot turn through the swivel. And then we have our walks. Forward, swivel, side, forward. From there we have 3-step turn. Close, back, Cuban rock, lifting our left foot up, flex it, and then we're going back into beginning. Yeah? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, 3, 4, 1. Second part. 2, 3, 4, 1. Zip. 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Release. 3 and 4. 1 and 2. 3 and 4. 1 and 2. 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1 and back to beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and so on. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Бархатный вечер спустился на землю легко, нежно накинув на плечи нам страсти вуаль. Запах лаванды исходит от чудных волос, то радость в глазах, то печаль. Вернись, я измучен тоской.
El campo esconde mano, la entierra. Al sur de los limones, tierra adentro. Vivir se queda huérfano de mano, del nativo decálogo del